The Offcast, plugging you into the future, where verse meets meta, where meta meets verse, where gamers meet devs, where devs meet games. Your direct access to the future right here, right now. Where verse meets meta, where meta meets verse, where gamers meet devs, where devs meet game. Your direct access to the future right here, right now.
I have to say, that jingle's really grown on me. I find myself humming it. Where verse meets meta, where meta meets verse. That's cool. Hi everyone!
Hey!
Hello!
Billy, Bob, and Bill.
Hello, it is Thursday the 13th of February. We are live. It is 4 o'clock in the UK, it's 5 o'clock in France.
Pre-Valentine's Day.
11
it's
o'clock
Valentine's Day
in
tomorrow.
Florida. I think about that. Hello, yes. Share that love.